Long, long ago, Sparrow and the Woodpecker were sisters and served the mountain god. One early morning, when they were getting dressed, a message came. It said that their mother was very ill and wanted to see them. The Sparrow immediately stopped what she was doing and told her sister they would fly back home together. But her sister, the Woodpecker, said that she'd like to go home after she completed her grooming and kept on applying rouge and powder. So the Sparrow had no choice but to go home alone. She took care of her mother and was with her when she breathed her last. But alas, the Woodpecker never got to see her mother alive again. It was because she took her time with attending to her appearance and did not return home in time. Now the mountain god had been watching his two priestesses' behaviors all along and summoned them. He solemnly stated, "Woodpecker, you preferred your appearance over your mother. Thus, you were too late to be there when your precious mother breathed her last. As the source of moral authority, I have determined that, although you are allowed to keep your colorful appearance, you must eat nothing but the insect you can find by pecking trees." He said to the Sparrow, "Sparrow, you are very kind to your mother. It was a display of devoted affection. I have decided that, although your appearance is not beautiful, your piety will be rewarded by a life without trouble. You will always be able to find seeds and grains and eat as much as you need." That is why the Sparrow, a dull-plumaged bird, can eat anything, including the grains in the rice fields. And that is also why the Woodpecker, a showy plumaged bird, must hammer away on the bark of trees to find insects to eat.